Alright guys, we're in the field. We've got a lot of tractor work to do. It's nice and sunny, it's hot. It's like 75 degrees. Let's fill up before we get to work. We have a surprise for you. We're gonna get Jocelyn in the tractor so I can play with our new toy. And yeah, we're gonna get some bush hogging done today. So we're filled up. Let's get rocking and rolling. See you guys in a bit.
You may be wondering why we don't have this field planted into cover crops. Last fall in 2023, we damaged our bush hog. A bush hog is a large mower for thick brush. Without being able to bush hog meant we couldn't prep the ground for planting. So instead of tillage, leaving the ground to go fallow is better for the soil.
Alright guys, I took over. Jocelyn went back with Molly girl. Got some lunch together. I'm gonna get some bush hogging finished up. Just got this little corner to get done here now. As you can see, we got the drone. It's gonna be a sweet little addition to this channel, I think. This bush hog is working fantastic. I'm so pleased with it. I really appreciate all the new subscribers. This is really exciting. It'd be really cool if we're inspiring people to do this, or even just to get out and support local farms. Maybe you'll understand some of the troubles that we go through, or the lifestyle they're creating, and maybe you don't have to get all crazy with production, but you can at least get your homestead together and start getting your own food together. And oh man, there's the hawk right there. You guys might be able to see it. It's right out the back window right here. Oh, it's so awesome. Yeah, I've had this hawk basically utilizing me bush hogging these tall grasses and making these small field mice vulnerable. Has been coming in just tearing them up. Sadly, but nah, I mean, that's nature. And then this morning, Jocelyn and I saw it taking a big long piece of straw that we had just bush hogged and tailing it into the woods. So I assume it's making a nest, and I guess it feels like it can take care of itself here out of my field. So I'll take that. Making some purple coleslaw now. These purple cabbages from last fall are gonna have fins. Yeah, that looks awesome.
is a field cultivator. It's like dragging your fingers through the soil to fluff it up and kill the weeds. The basket on the back flattens everything out.
I'm going to show you a little bit of the before and after. You can see on the right there, that's my first pass. It's broken up. Nice soil moisture. Texture looks nice, right? Could be broken up a little more maybe to let them roots get exposed to the sun a little more so they die off, but as far as the first pass, I'm pretty pleased with that. Alright, my last little pass here. Finish that off nicely. Alright, let's get back to my truck. Hoorah! Nice long day. Got some bush hogging, got all the bush hogging done. I mean, man, look at this nice tree line here. Look at that, all the way up against that tree. Up against that tree. Oh yeah, that looks nice. I gotta get out of here. So I'll see you guys in the morning. Get some more tractor work done. Really appreciate your support. I'll see you in the morning.